Got lucky with that one.
Huh?
I got lucky with that one.
You get lucky.
Not that time. Oh, come on.
Yesterday I was using gold. As soon as I switched
To the peanuts?
now today you're killing all the gold.
Yeah. What the fuck was that? Hey, one thing. I was gonna say that ain't no flute.
Yeah, they're all out there.
Yeah.
You're gonna get hit by blue.
It's a big one. It's a keeper. want him?
Come on, you're not keeping them now? I mean, you're not throwing back?
I mean, I feel bad
You feel bad? Yeah.
not giving them because you're fishing out here. I mean,
Nah, look, give him see if Howard is.
Howard, do you want this one? It's 20. No?
No, I'll take any.
You sure? All right. Yeah, if you want them, it's all yours.
I have a bunch of fly out.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you very much.
He's a fat fish too.
Yeah, yeah, my other one's done too, but I didn't want that.
Oh.
This guy involved it. I was guessing because you thought? Yeah. So they did
It's a good fish.
What's going on here?
Steve, you got your dinner in about 2 seconds.
Dinner?
Stevie Babes, you got your dinner.
Wow, really?
He
Oh,
came in.
wow.
First one on the teaser. First one.
See?
I thought that fish
He
was
looks
much bigger.
familiar.
Me? Maybe from here. You got my Facebook? No.
All right, Hal. You too there, wild man. All right. Yeah, I'm trying to talk to you.
He's like an eighth of an inch short.
Alright, so I should switch up.
I would, yeah.
We'll give it a shot. Oh, you cheater!
There's nothing cheating about this when I already caught.
Max, you didn't tell me he's cheating. Bucktail. Bucktail.
They say you catch more if you put peanuts actually on it, like peanut butter. You look at me like you don't believe me.
I tried.
He's got to put some right on the eyes. Watch this fish, Steve.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah. That's what you get for talking shit to me.
And you're jigging a peanut?
Hell yeah.
He's jigging a peanut. Yeah.
Steve, it's okay to be jealous. Oh yeah, Steve. See what happens when you're a shit talker? That's karma.
Steve, I want you to use a peanut. What if it's not on the peanut?
That's true.
You could say the peanut attracted it then. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I got somebody's line. Is that you?